You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. You are now going to learn about the Sesame Street Magic Lights Elmo. Now, for those of you that saw the video, this was in a bin day, and, I thought it's handy. I did have someone say, hey, can you check that one out? So I thought, let me do that now for you. Plays 3 songs. Now, the box on this, I'm going to rate as poor. It is bent up. It looks like it got a little wet. Let me just turn this around so we can see it. Well, let's check out this side. Then I'll show you the bottom so you can really see how bent the box is. Ages 1.5 and up. And then let's learn. There was a try me. It says squeeze right hand, but we have nothing, so there's a good chance I'm going to have to be doing some battery work. The puppy in front, super adorable, and it looks like it lights up here. It could use a little cleaning as well. Let's see what this says here. All right, musical play, pal, for daytime. Light up, pal, for bedtime. Ooh, so I'll have to turn off the lights. There's also, it says Ernie and Elmo, so maybe one day I can get the Ernie, because I have the Elmo. Now, the year on this, I want to say it was 96, 97. 1997, it looks like. Kind of when close to the Tickle Me Elmos, I think it's about that time. All right, so he is held in with these here. Let me just do a little bit of this with you on video. Why not? We're here together. Let's hang out. All right. I'm still going to be cautious with the packaging here. Okay, so it looks like it goes through the back of the box. Now, let's just be very careful here. Now, a lot of times I will not pull tape like this off of a box because it'll take off the actual packaging. Let's just see. Sometimes you have to heat it up to do this right. Okay, well, I was able to save that. All right. There we go. Okay, so let me just grab them here. There was the try me's in there. Squeeze right hand, and almost looks like someone got this at. Doesn't that kind of look like Salvation Army or Goodwill type of sticker? Maybe that's where they found it. Now, like I said, he is a little dirty. I noticed his eyes, too. There's some stuff there that needs to be cleaned off. I know, you're all anxious for me to test it, but I want to definitely clean the puppy. Now, like I said, I just found this in the bin, and I've had it for a little while, not too long. Okay. That's plastic. Let's see if we can clean up his eyeball. Yes, ooh, much better. Now, if there was a little nick on there, I might take a little Sharpie. Sometimes you could take a Sharpie and it matches pretty good. Okay, so not too bad. So let's see what we got to do with the batteries here. I didn't set anything aside. Let's see. Not sure yet which way it comes out. Some of these come out, some of them don't. Okay. There we go. Now, like I said, I did not grab any tool. Oh, here they are. Got some here. It's always nice when you have tools handy. Now, hopefully the battery compartment's not totally shut. Okay, it actually looks pretty good. Thank goodness. Okay, so I did not grab batteries. I just got right into the video. And this is actually really clean for the way the box was. Holy cow. All right, let's get... oh, look at that. See, batteries rusted on one side. Let's get that. Let's get the batteries. And then I will put them in. Okie dokie. Get those out of the way. Let's see. Is it going to make it sound right away? Ah, I just saw a light. Right hand. Oh, no. Okay. See, sometimes just doing that. Do, 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 do. that is cool, the dog. Okay, so that was 1 of 3. Let's see. Okay. Did it say 3? Okay, I like song 1 the best. There you go. Okay, so his feet, I didn't notice that. The top of his feet light up, this lights up. So let's get this back in here. Okay. Let's get the speaker port. Which way did I put it? Up. Okay, so I gotta twist this around a little. Okay, there we go. And hopefully he still works. They're a little quieter now. And he lights up too, I forgot. Okay. He does need a little more cleanup. So the clothes are all stitched on, and he's got a soft plush body, except for what, that piece in there. Soft plush head, soft plush nose, plastic cap. Does that light up? I didn't notice. It does. All right, let me adjust the lights. I'm not going to go completely dark. Let's pretend we're having a little nap, right? And we will see how he lights up with the lights down. All right, I was just looking at his tag. I have the lighting the way I wanted. Kind of night light going on in the corner, but it's one of my shop lights. This is number 33658399931. Magic Lights Elmo Surface Washable. Let's see, and there's the Tyco name right there. I forgot to say this was Tyco. 1997 Tyco Preschool. All right, so let me do this a couple ways. We'll just kind of set him here high up so you can see how everything lights up. He does not sit up on his own though, because you're supposed to be snuggling with your Magic Lights Elmo. One more. And what I'll do is I'll change the camera angle so you can get a close-up. I'll get a close-up of the puppy. Arr, let's bring this down. Let's get a real nice shot here. Pretty cute puppy there. All right. Sorry, just felt like dancing with my Elmo. Arr! I like the puppy sounds the best. Does he light up back there? Not much. Not as much, so the bulb must be up here. It's amazing that after so many years, the bulbs are still working, the sound box is still working. Alright, I do think I need to turn the lights back on and wrap it up with you. There you go, Elmo. We will be right back. Alright, there you go, Elmo. I'll put you back in the box. Now, I don't think this box is something that I can do much with. It is in pretty bad shape, so I'll pack him back up. Of course, take the batteries out, but let me do all of them one more time for you so you can enjoy it one more time. And now that we've checked it out, now I do have... Oh, stop talking. I was about to say there's a few other items from that bin day, a couple games that I think I'm going to play next time Butch is in the studio for sure. And again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun showing you this from a recent bin day. I really like it. I like the graphics. I like the colors. I like the puppy. And thanks for watching. And let me know what you think. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.